Me too. This weather, 100 degrees every day.
Yeah, I've been around when it's like 20 and 30 below.
I'll take that any day over this.
Yeah. I love it. I think we probably got Denver beat.
In terms of cold?
Yeah. And snow, I don't know.
Not anymore.
Uh-huh.
I mean, we haven't had a real snowy winter in years.
Yeah.
Everybody still complains, though, don't they?
Yep. Probably El Nino or something. I don't know.
All right, so everything looks a whole lot better.
Thank you.
And so we're going to be here on the 21st next month.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're here, I would say come in.
Okay.
I would also say, and I don't mean it to be rude, but try and clean in between your toes
Okay.
a little bit better too,
Okay.
because that's where people end up getting,
That sock stuff, huh?
yeah, well, it's not just sock stuff. This is a lot of dirt and dead skin.
Yeah.
So you really just need to clean a little bit better.
No kind of special alcohol, because I got like...
Nope,
Okay.
just soap and water.
Okay.
Okay?
That's right.
Alrighty. So that was our first video. Now our second video, I just want to put a little disclaimer in there. I know that we're always making fun of Left Foot Deb, who works with me, my nurse, who works at the homeless shelter with me, and she's awesome, she really is. In the second video, my video wasn't working for the left foot, so you'll see the end of the left foot and then the rest of the video of the right foot. So again, very nice guy. I appreciate him letting me video what I did. No making fun of me in the comments, please. All right, I know you're going to. So as a second part of our doubleheader, our second game, I hope you enjoy that video.
More, it's got even more, I think.
What does?
Well, the foot.
Oh, good.
It's got even more fingernails, toenails.
Is that building over there part of this Catholic Charities compound? Is it?
There's 3 buildings and all, and this one's got a bunch of floors.
This one is higher ground, yours is called Evergreen, and then what's the other one?
Glenwood.
Oh, Glenwood right next, the other one, the old building here? Is Evergreen an old building?
Everything what?
Evergreen, is that an old building or a newer? Well,
It's
12
pretty
years.
old,
You've
yeah.
been there 12 years.
Yeah, actually I think it is 1900.
How many units in there do you think?
It's got taller ceilings.
It's just more for an independent living than these places here.
Well, the one's just for drunks, terminally ill drunks.
Which
They don't
one
even
is
come
that?
out. They're just laying in there dying. They get alcohol. They let them have it.
Yeah, it's
And
a wet,
that's
it's
in
a
your
wet
building?
house.
And
Yeah.
they just basically they don't even get out of bed. They just stay in bed and drink.
Is that the same building you're in?
No, it's the next one
Oh,
over.
the next one, that,
The one I'm in, everybody's crazy, and it can be scary.
Crazy but not drunk, huh?
Yeah.
do they have nurses in there?
No.
No. But you always can go in your room and lock the door?
Yeah. I get along pretty good there. I can't get complain.
Good.
Yeah. Been some pretty weird stuff, but
The truth is stranger than
I've
fiction.
managed to stay clear of it all.
Smart. I've said many times recently, it's almost like you can't make this stuff up.
Oh yeah.
Because there's so many things.
Especially around crazies.
Oh my goodness, look at that toenail. Did you see that?
Curling around.
It is. That's been a long time, months and months,
Years.
maybe a couple of years. You need to come more often.
Yeah.
Nice weather instead of horrible winter. Okay. When you're over the living room, do you have to go to the doctor or something? Do they come and get you? Or you jump in the house?
It's really screwed up. I can't get into a nursing home now.
So they just cut you back because they think you don't need it?
They de-enrich you for having assets. And then you go to the doctor and you charge like 8 times for one thing. I go for skin cancer, right? So I went through it's supposed to get thousands of dollars worth of billing. Just to cut little pieces of skin off my disease. So if I had you,
And that's because you have an asset and that's why?
yeah. When you say, oh, I can't go anywhere, so I just, what it is, I always get through food. Always do food. And I don't drive like that. I'm not going to drive food. And that's always and then it's lost it, well, I got cancer on my back, I thought I didn't get any fine on it. And it was going to my spine. Insurance. No, I'm doing probably go through my spine. They won't say anything when I ask them. So, that's what they always do. And then you get hit by a car and you call an ambulance, you get a $20,000 bill. I got hit.
Is that why you can't walk?
No, it's a DVT, deep vein thrombosis. Yeah, my legs are gone. They're used, so I'll never use them again.
All right. Well, thank you for letting us do the video.
Yeah, well, you didn't do it, did you?
She has special glasses that do a video.
Oh, yeah, you have glasses, you got